Well, hello everybody. Today we are going to solve determinants. The method that we are going to use today is the Gauss method and the cofactors method. Well, first one we are going to use the Gauss method. How we can use the Gauss method? So Gauss method consists in have a triangle even here or even here. Uh, the triangle that we're going to use is the upper triangle. So we are going to need uh, three or four ones here. Why three or four? Because this last term we are not sure that is going to be one or zero. We don't know. So we are going to discover now. In the fifth row, we are looking for a one here. So we are going to divide all these lines by 4, by minus 4, because our first number is 4, minus 4. Now in this way we are going to get a 1 here and a quarter by 5 is a minus 5 over 4 and minus 3 over 4, and here is a minus 1 by minus a quarter is just a quarter positive. Now in the other line we're going to use the same process in order to get that um, the result. So here we are going to we're going to rest the 3, and then we are going to we are going to divide by the second term in order to get a 1 in the second column, in the second row. In the next row we're going to divide where this number in order to get 1 in this number. By the last term we discover that there isn't a 1, there is a 71 over 8. So to get the determinant by the Gauss method, we have to multiply all these terms that we were getting. So the final result is given by the multiplying minus a quarter, minus 4 over 5, and 5 over 24. Oh, and 71 over 8. The final result is that determinant A is equals to 113. So by the method, the cofactor method, we have the same determinant. So what do we have to do is get a number of any arrow or any column, and take this row. So we have the number minus 4, and we are going to remove, we can say that way, remove this column and this row. So in that way we have a determinant of 3 by 3 that is here. So we are going to multiply that minus 4 by this determinant, what is shown here. We have to remember that determinants have um, a, a positive or negative sign here. So I take this first term as a positive term. So because it's a positive term multiplying a negative number, there is a minus 4. In this case, the number is positive, but the next state is positive, so this 5 is going to be negative, and the 3 is going to be positive, and the minus 1 is going to be negative. That is shown here. This sign is going to be modified later. So now, in the case of the number 5, we are going to remove this column in the same row. So we have the number 5, negative number 5, multiplying a determinant of 3 by 3, that is in 3, 3, 1, and 3, 2, minus 2, that is shown here. The same thing is for the determinant number of the number 3, that is a 3 positive multiplying a determinant of 3 by 3, that is shown here. So remember that we are going to remove the column and the row that are intersecting that number. So the number is 3, we are going to remove the column that is below the 3 and the row that is at the sides. And finally we are going to use the minus 1. We're going to remove this column and this row, and we have this determinant. These determinants are easier to solve. It's the same way. We have the 3, remove this column, this row, and we just have this simple determinant. The final result is 213. That is the same result that we obtained in the last exercise. So what of the two methods is better? Well, it depends of how do you feel by using the methods. Let's solve some determinants by the two methods and decide by yourself. So thank you for watching, and see you later.